Using Equivalence Finder. Another easy way to find similar materials is by using Equivalence Finder. In this example, we're looking for similar polyester materials by adding mechanical properties to a search. Then choosing physical properties, with the option to include ranges or limits. You can adjust the search sensitivity and even add standards organizations. As with other results lists, it's customizable, with the standard or producer shown by default, along with quick compare buttons. Checkboxes allow you to choose multiple materials to add to working lists or forward to other modules. Switching to high sensitivity narrows the list to those materials that more closely align with your needs, and using low sensitivity opens up the search to give you more to work with. Without repeating steps, you can adjust the results by turning off certain properties, turning them on again, or even deleting them completely.